Hello everyone, welcome to the pamphlet. Today let's talk about the new Delhi CM Atishi Marlena, who is all set to replace Arvind Kejriwal. But what if I tell you Atishi is the daughter of terrorist sympathizer parents? Confused? Shocked? Keep watching this video, I'm going to explain everything. Before we begin, let me tell you the pamphlet has also written a detailed thread on our X account on this very topic. You can choose to read that too. So Atishi Marlena's family, Tripta Vai, her mother, and Vijay Singh, her father, they both have problematic credentials. Tripta Vai was the convener of the committee that wanted Afzal Guru to be free of charges, and Vijay Singh was a member too. Along with many so-called liberals, they signed this mercy petition to the President of India, which sought to set aside the punishment given to terrorist Afzal Guru. Here, watch this video in which Atishi's mother feels Afzal was made a scapegoat.
One more has been saved from being hanged. So to that extent we are happy. But we are unhappy that Afzal has been made, in our political understanding, the scapegoat.
After terrorist Afzal Guru was hanged, Tripta Vai condemned the judiciary. She stated, even the judiciary failed us on which we always believed. Every democratic institution failed us. After the attack, suddenly the Indian nationalism and Hindu nationalism got together and made impossible for any human rights voices to be heard. And if you think it ends with sympathy for terrorists, then you are wrong. She also seemed to have been acquainted with S.A.R. Gilani, who in 2016 was arrested under charges of sedition, criminal conspiracy and being part of an unlawful assembly. The police had then even questioned Tripta Vai as she was present with Gilani on the dais and was part of an unlawful assembly in connection with an event organized at the Press Club of India. Tripta Vai's opinions on Indians as well as Pakistani soldiers are worth discussing too. In 2016, she told a news magazine Frontline when asked what she thought of soldiers dying in Siachen Glacier. She said, yes, it disturbs me very much, but I get equally disturbed by Pakistani soldiers dying on the border. Someone should dare Atishi's mother to repeat it before the parents of those brave hearts who have sacrificed their lives on the border. Furthermore, Tripta Vai's colleagues disclosed that at the time of the Kargil war in 1999, she had refused to donate money for the soldiers killed or maimed in the conflict, remarking, why do we need to pay them? These soldiers are paid to die. If the mother had controversial views on soldiers, the father had something to say about RNAW officials. In 2008, Vijay Singh berated RNAW and Indian officials, saying that they were interfering with the work of Nepal. In this blog, he further wrote, finally, the role of Hindu fascist forces such as Yogi Adityanath in fomenting trouble inside Nepal by organizing conference in December 2006 of Vishwa Hindu Sangam in support of the Hindi king shows how precarious the situation has turned for the Nepalese people. So, did you see? These are the parents of the new Delhi CM Atishi Marlena. With the genes of such incredible parents, Atishi Marlena is sure to be deluded into believing she is a revolutionary herself. After all, it is believed that Marlena in her last name stands as a combination of Karl Marx and Vladimir Lenin, given the communist links of her parents. And Atishi is definitely not behind her parents in giving controversial statements. In 2019, she had said that it is better to vote for goons rather than a competent candidate.
में कोई ऐसी सिंगल पार्टी नहीं है जो बीजेपी को हरा सकती है। अलग-अलग स्टेट्स में अलग-अलग पार्टियां हैं जो बीजेपी को हराने का मादा रखती हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल यूपी में आज या कल में पोलिंग का एक फेज था, तो अगर आप यूपी में देखिए बीजेपी को सिर्फ एसपी और बीएसपी की कोalition हरा सकती है और कोई नहीं हरा सकता। सो इफ वी वर यूपी वोटर्स, तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए था? हमें अपना वोट जाके एसपी बीएसपी के गठबंधन को देना चाहिए, चाहे उनका जैसा भी कैंडिडेट। हमारे एक जानकार है, वहां पे उनसे बात हो रही थी, तो कहते हैं जी हमारे इलाके का कैंडिडेट गुंडा है, मैं क्या करूं? ऐसे अभी आंख बंद करके कोalition को डाल के जाके वोट डाला, because this is an election जहां पे बीजेपी को हराना जरूरी है।
In 2023 at Cambridge India conference in UK, Atishi berated her own country. She said that India may be the fastest growing G20 economy, a 3.5 trillion economy, but India's condition is worse than Sri Lanka. She said that countries such as Sri Lanka, Bhutan and Pakistan are far happier than India.
And I think that a lot of countries, which we regard, especially our neighbors, in comparison to whom we consider ourselves far more developed and far more economically ahead of, are much ahead of us in these indicators. This includes Bhutan, this includes Sri Lanka, this even includes Bangladesh, which has a higher ranking on the Human Development Index than India does.
So congratulations Delhi walo, you have got a worthy replacement of Arvind Kejriwal.